A Europa continua a lutar contra as chamas e os especialistas garantem que nas próximas décadas haverá incêndios mais agressivos. Cerca de 38% da superfície terrestre da União Europeia é coberta por florestas. O que é que está a ser feito para travar o problema? A Comissão Europeia diz que vai comprar uma frota de jatos Canadair para aumentar a capacidade de combate aos incêndios na Europa. Mas estes aviões só estarão disponíveis em 2027.
We can't keep just throwing money at the problem. We need to assume that our communities will burn it at a certain point. So we need to take, short-term technical measures to protect the, infrastructure. We need to fireproof our fields, our homes, our structures.
We have to adapt to this new reality. And this is true not only for the countries in Southern Europe, where we have this problem, and it is already quite bad, and it's getting worse, but also to countries in Central and Northern Europe, where the problem of wildfires is emerging, and they have to be prepared, not only to fight them, but to prevent them.
As medidas preventivas são o foco de muitos planos e estudos atuais.
We know that in Europe, most fires are caused by human action, but some are also natural. So we are looking at the previous history of casualty of fires in the different parts, and we are also looking how we can reduce these man-made fires.
O projeto internacional, liderado pelo cientista Domingos Xavier Viegas, da Universidade de Coimbra, em Portugal, fez um levantamento de cada quilómetro quadrado da Europa para sensibilizar os cidadãos e os órgãos de governo dos riscos e dos tipos de vegetação mais suscetíveis de arder. A replantação e o afastamento das monoculturas inflamáveis podem ser eficazes a longo prazo.
Since we can't change topography and since we can't change weather, what we can do is we can change the vegetation, and that means we can change the structure, the type, and the arrangement. What we eventually want to achieve is that when a fire does burn, it is not as severe